So how to fix the Valorant keep crashing while playing game. So first we need to go to check DXDIAG. Search it and click it, and this is nothing but checking system requirement. So RAM and GPU. RAM should be 4G plus and 4GB, and GPU will be DirectX 12 or DirectX 11 compatibility. So here you can see 16 and DirectX 12 is there. So it's okay for requirement. Then right click Riot game and go to properties, and here you can see the disable full screen optimization is there. It should be in disable mode, and go to Valorant and same compatibility, and disable full screen automation should be in disable mode. So after next we are going for system settings. Yes, in this we are going for advanced system settings. Here you can see the performance is there. Click the performance and settings, and just go to advanced, and here you can see total page file size of all devices that click it. So here we are going to increase the virtual memory. So here you can see disable the automatic management and go to customization size, and the minimum allowance is 60 MB to 285 recommended, and currently allocated is 15 GB. So I already done it. So you also go to customer size, and you can give the maximum size like 15 GB and set and click OK. So it will increase the virtual memory, so your game will be not lag or not will be shut down suddenly. So this is how to increase the virtual memory. So the performance will be increases. So after we set Valorant to high performance, so go to Windows Update settings. For this check for update. As right now checking for update. Once the update is completed, after we need to check the performance. As go to NVIDIA graphics, which graphics you are using, go to that, and in this you need to download the NVIDIA, or else here you can see download option. If it's download option not available, means you need to reinstall it, and once you click it, it will shows installation. After installation completed, you need to restart. Then after go to settings and go to NVIDIA overlay and disable the NVIDIA overlay. Yes, click it. So this is how to fix this issue. So at last restart once and check it. It will work fine. So thanks for watching. Thank you.